In this Olive video editing tutorial, I will show you how to add a freeze frame to a video clip. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Olive. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. I brought this simple clip into Olive and I've placed it in the timeline. So I'm just going to drag the timeline marker along to a point where I want to create a freeze frame. And these sort of dots of snow looking pretty sharp here, so I think I'll freeze this here. So we need to create an image of this, and to do that, with your pointer in the monitor, just right click and then left click on Save Frame as Image. Give it a title if you want. And also you've got a couple of options here. Mine says portable network graphic, which actually is just a PNG. You can go for a few options here, bitmap and JPEG, but PNG is fine for a video. And the only other thing is just decide where you want to save your image, and just go ahead and save. And make sure you haven't moved your marker, and just right click on the video track, and what you're looking to do is split it. The shortcut is Ctrl+K, but you can also left click on split, and this will split the video. Now I'm going to just hold my left mouse button down and just drag a box over this end, and then just drag these out the way. Bring your image into the project bin and drag the image into the timeline, and this is where you might want to have a look at it, because this will probably be, I don't know, possibly 4 seconds long. So I'm going to just reduce this in size by dragging the end to about here. We can adjust it again if we want. Make sure you've got the two end parts of your video selected, snap them up, and I'm just going to play this just to see what it looks like. Good enough for me. You can adjust this to whatever length you want, and that's really all there is to it. I'm not going to go into rendering. Like I said at the beginning, I assume you've got some knowledge of editing in Olive. Obviously audio is something you need to consider. This clip doesn't have any audio, so I'll leave this as it is. So hopefully that's helped somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.